Welcome back to Scale by SEO. I'm glad my mountain climber metaphor didn't run you off. In the last video, we talked about what is SEO and why is it crucial for your business. Today, we're going to get practical. We're exploring some of SEO basics that you can immediately use to improve your website's visibility. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually do SEO? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 5 SEO basics to get you started. Number 1, keywords are key. Figure out what words people are using to search for businesses like yours. Then use those words naturally in your website's content. But remember, keyword stuffing is so 2005. Keep it natural. Number 2, content is king. Create high quality, valuable content that answers people's questions. Google loves websites that are helpful and not just salesy. Number 3, make it snappy. People and search engines both hate slow websites. Make sure your site loads faster than a cat video goes viral. Number 4, mobile matters. More people browse on their phones than ever before. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you're basically telling Google to send their visitors elsewhere. Number 5, build those backlinks. Get other websites like yours to link back to you. It's like getting a recommendation from the cool kids, and guess what? Google takes notice. Remember, SEO isn't about tricking search engines. It's about making your website the best it can be for your visitors. Do that, and the search engines will love you for it. So there you have it, folks. SEO might sound like alphabet soup, but it's really the secret sauce to online success. It's about connecting with more customers, building trust, and growing your business in this digital world. If you found this video series helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We've got tons more SEO tips and tricks coming your way. Now, it's time for you to join the conversation. What are your biggest SEO challenges? Share in the comments below, and you might see us tackle that on our next video. Your struggle could be the key to unlocking success for fellow climbers on this SEO journey. Remember, at Scale by SEO, we're here to be your website's new best friend. Together, we'll climb through those search rankings faster than a mountain goat on an espresso rush. Now that you've got these tips, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed. Don't worry, that's where we come in. At Scale by SEO, we're experts at implementing these strategies and more. Visit our website at www.scalebyseo.com to book a free consultation. We'll show you how we can put these tips into action for your specific business.